Hello, I'm Wade Walker, and I'm going to tell you about AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, includes a wide range of technologies. From simple algorithms that allow target ads to automated factories that manufacture cutting-edge cars, the landscape is becoming littered with new applications of AI. At the base level, AI is simply cognitive function from a machine or a line of code that uses predictive or problem-solving behavior. Airline autopiloting, car services like Uber, Amazon's entire production line are all examples of AI in everyday life. By far, the most impressive incarnation of artificial intelligence is IBM's Watson. Developed as an answering bot to participate in the quiz show Jeopardy! It has become a showcase of the possibilities of enhanced machine learning. And now Watson is cloud-based, or once he had a database limited by physical storage, however expansive it was. Now he has a limitless library of data to reference. Watson is used in a wide array of capacities, including predictive medical advice for lung cancer patients. By far, the most utilitarian purveyor of artificial intelligence has to be Elon Musk. The tech giant has been on the cutting edge of research for myriad advancements in space, cyberspace, and industry. He's building reusable rockets for space travel, automating semi-trucks for driverless shipping, and improving the world at large with battery walls that store solar and wind energy. His Tesla motor factories are an awe-inspiring implementation of automation and AI, with expansive spaces of robot arms straight out of an Isaac Asimov story. Few humans are seen on the floor of these factories, and Musk himself has been very public in his concerns about AI and how it could potentially destroy our current society. A warning that Mark Zuckerberg glibly shrugged off. Because in Zuck's world, AI is used for far more capitalistic implementations, bordering on predatory. He uses AI to sell you. His proprietary AI algorithms collect, compile, and predict patterns based on all of its users' activities, likes, friends, family, photos, videos, and browsing history. Facebook turns around and sells advertisers targeted ad space based on those algorithms. The recent data leak to Cambridge Analytica is a look into how we are being capitalized upon by tragically ironic progressive opportunists who are only interested in the money that progress brings. While Zuckerberg bots his way through the Grand Inquisition, one thing is evident: the genie is out of the bottle. By looking at Facebook's algorithms from a societal communication lens, it is frightening to read that they are now offering a new service to their advertising clients that reportedly predicts future behavior and allows them to interrupt the predicted behavior. Loyalty prediction might be the most frightening aspect ever heard. It reads like a fascist handbook. Were these same predictions to be turned into a political influencing tool, the threads of freedom would thin immeasurably. So where's the good in all of this? Elon Musk has a lot to gain from AI automation, but even he has admitted the detriment his creations have on society. Many prominent figures in the industry have concerns about AI being a golem, but in scientific and medical research, the most potential for good is found. In China, hospitals have begun using powerful robots for patient management. They are extremely interactive, and they can ask questions and process patients' answers. They then use algorithms to diagnose, if possible, or compile the data to present to doctors, streamlining the medical process. AI is used in all of our smartphones. Siri, Cortana, Alexa, they all use the technology to manage our complex digital world. As it gets progressively more complicated, the need will be even greater. AI will continue to evolve its role as an interface assistant to our digital lives. News dissemination is a big part of the commercial application of AI. While it has its drawbacks, like creating an echo chamber for one's ideologies, the benefits of having specifically targeted news increases the chance of users reading the articles in their feeds, therefore educating their users. If the average user was interested in seeing a more dynamic news feed, it is something that can be easily handled through social media and even your browser. Once the AI of Facebook has enough data on its users, it can make sure the news they read fits the criteria of the selected likes. But it brings up another problem with AI, and that is, at least concerning human assistance, that AI will only operate within the parameters of its human input. Garbage in, garbage out, goes the saying. If users adjust their algorithms to widen their taste, however uncomfortable, they will find a broader spectrum of feedback. The last and most concerning aspect is the ethical dilemma. It is likely that AI, in its capacity to write its own code, could write a code to improve its own cognitive functions, essentially becoming something more intelligent than itself, repeating that formula until it was infinitely smarter than man. While it's been the source of plenty of science fiction, it is now a reality in an advancing world of science and technology. We are on the cusp of this, what is referred to as the singularity, where AI advances at such a rate that a technological evolution occurs, making humans essentially obsolete. Nanotechnology, driven by advanced AI, could be implanted into our bodies and minds. Researchers at Harvard have made a nanoflesh that can be programmed by a computer, codes that can be written into it, and data be recovered from it. It can use biofeedback and their own internal algorithms to work in union with the operator. While it will be decades, at the least, before technology like this could be applied to the human brain, it isn't that far-fetched to believe that this is where it is heading. Nanomesh brain enhancements that allow interface to the cloud, stimulate neural activity, boost adrenaline, norepinephrine, enough to keep up with our new robot overlords?